So for today's video, I'm going to share with you the continuation of our Monster date, and honestly, this part is something I'll never forget. Before anything else, please watch first our first video, our Monster vlog sa Fantasy World. Kay maudyo to among first stop that day and grabe kalingaw among experience dito. So after sa Fantasy World, around 6 p.m., ni-proceed na dayon mi sa among final destination for that day, which is Vivace Art Cafe. And guys, honestly, super sulit jud siya. For around 600 pesos, entrance na siya and included na food and drinks. So before ka makasulod sa ilang art area, you need to choose your drink first gikan sa ilang menu. Ako, nakalimot na ko unsa akong exact gi-order, basta I know it's coffee. And siya, of course matcha, kay hilig man jud siya. After that, giingnan mi nga pwede na mi mosulod. And guys, pagsulod jud namo, namangha jud mi. Like the place, it's so beautiful. Kanang dili nimo ma-explain dayon, kinahanglan jud nimo makita in person. The ambience, the lights, the art, everything just feels so calm and romantic. So we just sat there, nagstorya lang mi, and honestly, it's been a while jud. 3 years sad mi nga LDR. So kanang simple nga moment nga maglingkod lang mi together, very meaningful siya for me. Then he told me something nga dili na ako makalimtan. I told you mamawi ko, diba? And that moment ni smile jud ko. Because I can really feel nga genuine jud siya and he's fulfilling the promise that he made before. That moment alone was already enough for me. After ana, niadto dayon mi sa second floor, kay dito ang main art experience. But reminder lang guys, ayaw jud ninyo wala inyong receipt, kay dili mo makasulod kung wala to. Just make sure to keep it safe. Pagsulod na mo sa taas, grabe. Honestly, I don't even know how to explain everything. The art, the setup, the creativity, lain kaayo siya nga experience. Murag every corner na akay makita nga unique nga maka-amaze jud nimo. So instead of me explaining everything, tan-awa lang ninyo ang video. Kay mas ma-feel jud ninyo siya. But I promise you guys, worth it jud kaayo ang inyong ibayad. If ganahan mo og chill, aesthetic, and meaningful nga place, this is really a must visit. But wala mi nag-expect nga naa pa di ay next. Part sa experience kay naa di ay small ocean park area. And honestly, very interesting kaayo siya. Nakakita mi og dagko kaayo nga isda. Kanang makaingon jud ka nga hala kadako ani. And of course, nakahuna-huna pud mi nga labi ni sumbaon. Joke lang. But yeah, it was really fun and surprising kay wala jud na mo gi-expect nga naa pa di ay ingani nga part. So overall, this whole day from Fantasy World to Vivace Art Cafe, super memorable jud kaayo siya for me. Dili lang siya about sa places, but the moments, the memories, and the person you're with. If you're planning a date or ganahan mo try something new, I highly recommended this experience. And again, don't forget to watch our first video para makita ninyo ang full story of our day. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching! Love you all!